SciCuriousID presents. Before cloud storage and solid-state drives, scientists once dreamed of a memory device that could never wear out, never lose data, and had no moving parts. In the 1970s, they called it bubble memory, a magnetic marvel that predicted the way we store information today. Bubble memory was invented in 1967 by Andrew Bobek at Bell Laboratories, the same institution that gave the world the transistor and laser.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Bobek's breakthrough came while studying magnetic domain behavior in thin films of garnet. He discovered that by applying specific magnetic fields, he could create and move tiny cylindrical magnetic regions. These magnetic bubbles acted as individual bits of data, each representing either a 1 or a 0, stored in a continuous sheet of magnetic material. By using shifting magnetic fields, these bubbles could be moved, read, or erased without physical contact, offering a type of non-volatile memory decades ahead of its time. At its core, bubble memory is based on the concept of magnetic domains, regions where electron spins align in the same direction. In a bubble memory chip, these domains are confined into circular areas only a few micrometers wide, suspended within a thin magnetic film. The bubbles are stabilized by an external magnetic bias field perpendicular to the plane and manipulated by smaller in-plane fields generated by electrical coils or patterned conductors. Reading data involved sensing the magnetic field of a bubble as it passed near a detector coil. Writing data required forming or collapsing a bubble with a controlled pulse of magnetic energy. In engineering terms, bubble memory was compact, radiation-resistant, and mechanically stable. It required no spinning disks, no mechanical arms, just fields and logic. This made it particularly appealing for aerospace and defense applications, where reliability outweighed speed. By the late 1970s, companies like Intel, Hitachi, and Texas Instruments began developing commercial bubble memory modules. Early predictions claimed it would replace magnetic disks entirely. Yet, despite its promise, bubble memory fell victim to the same forces that shaped many great technologies: economic timing and competition. As manufacturing scaled, the cost per bit remained too high compared to rapidly improving semiconductor memory and hard drives. By the early 1980s, dynamic RAM and compact floppy disks outpaced it in both capacity and performance. Bubble memory became a technological dead end, but its conceptual influence endured. The principles behind bubble memory, non-volatility, miniaturization, and field-based control paved the way for later innovations like flash memory and magnetoresistive RAM. Its idea of distributed, persistent information movement parallels today's data architecture in cloud systems, where information is managed virtually without physical transport. Bubble memory may have disappeared from hardware, but its legacy survives in the logic of modern data storage. It proved that memory could be magnetic, solid, and eternal, a vision that quietly predicted the cloud revolution decades before it arrived. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.